want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologise to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
You good.
Ay, about to go stupid again. She out the roof of the Benz. I'm about to do it again. I'ma fuck two of her friends. Just made a flip out the walk. Fuck the Frank Mueller, I jump out the jeweler again. I fuck my money up on the re-up, but I got it right back and I blew it again. Ayy, bag full of bricks. Bag selling nicks like you and again. Trap ain't bump like this, it's so sick, so what shit start you and again. Clear it out, stick it, air it out. Whereabouts? I ain't never about to give him fair mouse. I ain't never finna hit him with triple in the double up stash, quarter brick another half, and I got another 20 on the vision. Special little flipping, indicated for the kitchen. I'ma hustle to the car, came with another brick in it. Crib came with another bitch in it. If you ain't getting litty with the shitty, I'ma put another bitch in it. Bitch better hit me with Detroit. And no, I ain't talking about Michigan. Ay. Down, shit. I'm going stupid as shit. She play the flu with my dick. Wrist sick. I got the flu on a bitch. I play it cool on a bitch. Hit stick. That's how I do on your bitch. What I'ma do in this bitch? Pussy was great. Flew out and flew in this bitch. 40 shot it and shot it. Way in the hills, I'm high in the climate. Niggas is tricking and niggas is zipping. Paying for heels and whining and dining. Jewish lawyers on the phone call. I said I'ma sign a little shit when I sign it. I got these Benjamin Frank on my body. Ain't finna fuck it, this shit ain't exciting. Woo! Tears, trap, phones, cut a bitch, keep on calling. Sleeping on the floor, I been scamming, getting it all in. With the money dance, with the money fall. Nigga, fuck my ex, I'm money ball. You can suck my dick and lick a nut too. Yeah, you don't like me, nigga, fuck you. Damn, he running through all his paper. That's what I do to a hater. Don't touch two things, my hair and my paper. Passing that bitch and she hot, passing like hot potato. I grind, I skate it, and she look good, I'm like data. Pussy was good and I ate it. No bitch, I'm major.
You gonna call your head, buddy? You gonna call your...
So we both at the function, you know what I'm saying? You pull up with your bitch in a 458. I pull up with my bitch in a 488. You pull up beside my shit like, yo, what's the difference between my 458 and your 488? Just felt like 80 to 100,000 cocksucker beatings. Ay, about to go stupid again. She out the roof of the Benz. I'm about to do it again. I'ma fuck two of her friends. Just made a flip out the walk. Fuck the Frank Mueller, I jump out the jeweler again. I fuck my money up on the re-up, but I got it right back and I blew it again. And we don't wanna hear no sucker shit after this shit either, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you worried about your bitch? Yeah, she's here. You know what I'm saying? We probably Wu Francais and all that good shit. Straight off the runway in Paris, nigga.
What's up?
I was a little upset to see because it was a lot of hot spots tonight. No bathroom, no kitchen, but then I better call the war down. I'll just get mine.
What did he say?
I'm in danger!